This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone runs a supported OS and has at least 20% battery, plus Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, enable microphone and location permissions. Assistant needs them to hear you and give local answers. Once done, open the Google app or long press the home/side button to launch Assistant. You do this now so the activation is immediate. It reduces friction and prepares the app to listen and respond without extra prompts. Now you personalize how Assistant responds and what it can access. Train voice match or enable Hey Google so it recognizes your voice. This prevents accidental activations and gives tailored results. Then open Assistant settings to choose language, voice, and set routines for morning or commute tasks. These automate repeated actions. Also link your calendar, music services, maps, and smart home accounts so Assistant can read events, play content, and control devices. This expands usefulness and reduces manual steps later. Finally, use concise commands. Say, Hey Google, set a 10-minute timer, or navigate home and Assistant will act. Make sure to speak naturally, pause between longer phrases, and confirm follow-ups when Assistant asks. This avoids misinterpretation. When finished, say stop or close the app. Make sure linked apps completed their tasks. If something fails, restart the phone, verify microphone and network access, and recheck Assistant permissions. Most issues resolve by reauthorizing accounts or toggling voice match back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.